Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is from our friends at Stunning Misadventures YouTube channel, and they make a lot of great one-pot meals on their channel, and this one is a one-pot broccoli chicken pasta meal, and it was delicious. You know I love it when my mom drops me some dry pasta. So really enjoyed this one, girls. Thank you. But anyway, so this recipe was easy. It was quick. My mom didn't have to thaw anything out. She really loves that. So we're going to put a link to the original recipe video in the description box below. But you can watch the video to see how my mom made it allergy friendly. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Give it a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, we're making a recipe from one of our friends on YouTube, Stunning Misadventures, called a one-pot broccoli chicken pasta. So far, we're waiting on this to boil. So let me let you know what's in here. We've got, it says a pound of pasta, but we had a little bit more. We're using 2 boxes of this gluten-free rotini. It is from Albertsons. And it's 12 ounces each, so we're using 2 boxes of that. So I doubled the recipe. We're supposed to use leftover rotisserie chicken, so I used 2 cans of chicken breast from Sam's. Then 4 cups of chicken broth, so I used 8 cups of organic chicken bone broth. Then a teaspoon of minced garlic, so I used 2 teaspoons. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon sea salt, so I used 1/2 teaspoon. 1/4 of a teaspoon pepper, so I used 1/2 teaspoon of ground white pepper. And then you're supposed to use dried oregano leaves, 1 teaspoon, so I used 2 teaspoons of dried oregano leaves. And then that is, I think, everything that's in there right now. Yeah. So stirred that together. We're waiting on it to boil. Once it boils, we're gonna cover it, put the cover on it, and reduce the heat to medium and let it cook for 4 minutes. And then I'll show you what happens after that. Okay, it's down on medium-low heat. I've added 4 cups of broccoli florets and another cup of water or broth, whatever you got. Then we're gonna cook it for another 4 to 6 minutes. Okay, it's getting there, it's almost done. So I have added a cup of BioLife mozzarella shreds. So I'm allergic to dairy, and it was supposed to be Parmesan, but I didn't have any, so I used mozzarella. And then 1.5 cups of cream. So I am using Silk's dairy-free heavy whipping cream alternative. So that is what's in here. You're supposed to let it get thick and creamy, and then it's done.